My plan today is to replace this cooktop, which basically has been in the house since original build, which was 1993, with this new induction cooktop. And so what it will involve is getting this one out. This should be pretty easy to lift out, but then disconnecting the electrical, which is a little bit of a challenge because it's one continuous wire, and then hoping the new one fits in this existing hole, and then connect up the wires. So it should be a fairly straightforward process, but we'll see what challenges we encounter. Here's the cooktop. I got it out, so now I need to work on disconnecting the electrical. Okay, been working on the electrical, and you can see that I've got both wires connected to a junction box, and I'll be putting a cover on it shortly, but electrical's done, and I'm ready to drop the cooktop in, and then I'm going to secure it and try and boil up all the water. Okay, stove is installed and working, and boy, it boils water fast. Basically, it's got a speed boost that you hit, and water's boiling within maybe 10 seconds. Wow.